Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and this is your outlook for July 20th, 2013. And we're going to be looking for the possibility of severe weather today, but a lot of it's going to depend on the amount of cloud cover and showers and thunderstorms that are around today. Now, we do have a prefrontal trough that's sitting out here this morning. That's this yellow dotted line. The front's sitting way back here, the cold front, which is actually pushing off to the southeast towards our area at this point. Of course, you have showers and thunderstorms all the way out here across, northern Ohio and about to move into PA here. But you do have some of this really light, spotty showers that are popping up across the area. I do think it says the concentrations of these across are across central PA. I think this is the stuff that's outrunning the main area of convection. As this pushes east, I think it does weaken, and we really don't get much in the way of rainfall, but it could be a spotty shower over in this area this morning before this moves through. And I think once this does die off and moves through, the clouds start to break up a little bit. We do have a lot of cloud cover. You can see that low grayscale here, where there are a lot of clouds over eastern PA. It's mostly cloudy skies, a few breaks of sun this morning, but really not dominant sunshine. But I think as these die out, some of this cloud cover will move out, and it might take a while to doing so. It might be late morning before it starts kicking out of here. But if we get a few hours of sunshine across eastern PA and New Jersey, we could get very high instability values again. But we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. I can see how this goes both ways, and if it does clear out, we'll be primed for storms over in this area here. I think your primary area for storms are probably going to be focused over in this area right here, over northeast PA, east central PA, over to Harrisburg, and then also up into northern New Jersey. Further southeast, you might run into an issue where this front is coming in too late in the day, where you're starting to lose the daytime heating and you're losing some instability. So we'll have to see how that plays out. It's really a tough call. It can go either way, but right now we're going to side with the idea that there is going to be severe weather, just so we're prepared. But I'm not really excited about this threat just because of the cloud cover this morning, and I got to see what this stuff does here. It looks like it's going to fizzle out. Future radar projections have it doing that. Here's the high-resolution rapid refresh model. This is a experimental model. This is not our go-to model normally, but I want to show you what this does. It has a convection in the morning right here, starting to fizzle out as it moves across, and the main area of convection is later on this evening here about 6 p.m. I'll stop this right now, and you see like the heaviest concentration. You can see a line that forms here on this model. Cold front, of course, being back here like this, but you can see the line of convection that fires out ahead of that line here, and it crosses over through the Lehigh Valley, northeast PA, then the Lehigh Valley, and then northern New Jersey. But that kind of continues off like to the east-southeast. So areas down here in southeast PA and southern New Jersey may be spared of this one, but we'll have to take a look at how that transpires throughout the day here. But it looks like the greatest forcing is going to be along that front, and that's going to be up in this area here. So we'll see how that plays out. Taking a look at the high-res NAM, very similar idea here. This is going to have the prefrontal stuff, maybe popping up a shower or thunderstorm this morning yet, and then main convection goes here later this evening. Now this is showing 8 p.m. tonight. Of course, the front's now back here like this, and along that front you have these showers and thunderstorms forming a line and pushing through. Not as impressive as it has been in previous runs, so that might be due to the cloud cover and lack of instability. But we'll have to monitor and see how it plays out. But I can see how both situations can play out. Whether we have severe or not is going to be just like an 11th hour call. And this morning so far it's not too promising for that. Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk further northwest, but even there I think you're running into issues with cloud cover and things like that. So the main area of convection right now is over here in northeast Ohio. Is going to move over here like this, northeast, move across east-southeast across the state. And we'll see how that holds together as it does, and if we do get that breaks in cloud cover like we were expecting. Taking a look at now the European model, just want to show you as we get into next week. Like I say, I jumped ahead a little bit here. This is Sunday. The front is going to actually sag to the south here, but with the front being down here like this, you're going to have a bunch of showers and thunderstorms still along that frontal boundary, and you might sneak a few showers here into southern Jersey, maybe extreme southern PA. Would not be out of the question before it completely moves out here. Now the front's going to stall just to the south here, and it's going to be the focus for showers and thunderstorms throughout the week because there's going to be areas of low pressure that are going to move along that front and ride it eastward. So we have a couple days of that here. You can see there's Tuesday. We have a shot at it right there. Another short wave riding that front, and another one here Wednesday into Thursday time frame before it finally lifts out by the end of the week here. But we could have a couple unsettled couple of days here where temperatures back to near normal temperatures for this time of year. And finally it shows Friday clearing out. We'll narrow that down a little bit better as we get closer to time. I just want to concentrate on the weekend today, or concentrate on Saturday at least, and then just go from there as far as whether or not we're going to have severe weather. We'll provide rapid updates on the Facebook page throughout the day as any storms or pop up or anything changes as far as the synoptics of the overall pattern here. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for Saturday, July 20th, 2013. Have a great day.